Okay, so as you can hear this noise, they've been targeting me every time I go in the bathroom. They'll turn the taps on, but I come back today and I find they're doing that, and also there's this weird beeping noise. There's you can hear. And the next door, they know what they're doing. These are perps, next door. The old man I talk about who banged his head, they use him to target me by doing certain things. As you can hear, this is how they do it. But yeah, this is the noise campaign. More deliberate, disturbances. As you can hear this noise right back here. You know what I mean?